No. Woodland Hills.
Woodland Hills. So just over the hill, but still in California. And do you know if you were born in the morning or at nighttime?
At night.
Good job. Do you know what time at night? No. Yeah, I was kidding, but it's in a book now. Well, so sometime tonight, you can think of Alex, because technically he's still a little bit 5. He'll be 6 officially tonight. And who was there when you were born?
And Nana.
Oh, that's good. Was David there yet?
Yeah. He
Yeah.
came to visit later.
Oh, very exciting. So your big brother David was there too. Very cool. Was Abby there? No, that's silly, huh? But you could be maybe there when Abby's born. So when Abby has to answer these questions, she could say, oh, my brother Alex was there or came to visit or something, huh? All right. And how are you going to celebrate?
Go home and play. And have a party at home.
Yay. Are you going to have something special for dinner? Do you know what it is? Oh, a surprise.
He had a special breakfast.
Oh, what was your special breakfast?
Pancakes with syrup and sprinkles.
With sprinkles too? That is very special. Wow, I don't think I ever have sprinkles on my pancakes, do you?
No.
I did. All right, now it's time to
Sing.
Ready? All right, Declan, come join us. Ready? Declan, come join us. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday.